Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to add the contacts to the contact list on this watch. Before we start, if you want to add the contacts to the contact list on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app and tap on devices, and here tap on HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro. Now scroll down and look for the option called favorites, and here of course tap on it. As you can see, we have the favorites menu, and we can add the frequent contacts to our HUAWEI watch, which will allow us to access them quicker, and they will be the contacts will be synced to our device, so they will be basically right here on the list. So to add the contact, tap on add. We have the contact right here, we can select it and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the contact should be added. You can also remove the contacts by tapping on remove if you want to, and then selecting the one you like to remove and tapping on remove button. But for now, let's leave it be. So the contact should be on the contacts list on our watch. So if we press the crown button, then press it again to open the menu, scroll through the menu and look for the contact app, then we can tap on it, and here we have our contact, and you can tap on it, I believe, to basically start the call on your phone. It will start the call on the phone, but yeah, you can use it as a quick access for the contact list if you want to. Okay, and that's how you add the contacts to the contact list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.